What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing something that you guys have seen before. We're gonna be installing test pipes, but not on my car. As you guys can see, Z's right there chilling. But we're gonna be doing it on this car. As you guys know, I installed test pipes on my last Z, but I had it paired with the Tome, and this one has the agency power exhaust, so it's gonna sound crazy. So before we even get into installing the new test pipes, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some sound clips of before, and then after we install the test pipes, I'll give you guys the sound clips of after. If you guys don't know, I actually did a manual swap on this car too, so and just coming back for more work to be done. It's actually her car over there. You guys can probably see her. I gotta zoom in. See her over there. This is gonna be a drift build, so we're basically just modding this car slowly to get it to become a drift car eventually. But yeah, without further ado, I'll give you guys the before clips so you guys can hear how it sounds with just the agency power exhaust. For this fucking lady, every time I try and film a video, she always mows her grass. It's like she senses that I'm gonna film a fucking video and she mows her grass every time. So guys, that is how it sounds before. We're gonna install the test pipes and then give you guys a new sound clip of how it sounds after.
These is the test pipes. So, got them from a coworker who took them off his G35 because he's swapping his out for 371s.
First and foremost, you guys know we gotta get the car up in the air first, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna jack up the car, get it on the jack stands, and I'm gonna spray some PB Blast all over these bolts because you already know how these test pipe bolts be. It's gonna give us hell today. So let's go ahead and get this hood popped. So I can, damn. That should be catching me off guard every time. There we go. She ain't never used no tools a day in her life, so I got her out here working today. She gonna learn today about them demon bolts. Sit back and relax. Put them to work, man.
How high up? All the way?
Yeah. That's actually good right there. Okay guys, so lighting kind of ass, but we got the intake off as you guys can see. Now I can get like a straight path to that bolt that's down there. This ain't no tutorial video, so I don't need to show y'all, but there's a bolt that you need to get from the engine bay on both sides, and then the rest of the bolts you can get from underneath the car. But now that I got the intake off, super easy to get to this bolt now. Okay guys, as you guys can see, this cat is off, that cat is off. Now it's just to install the test pipes. It actually went very, very smooth, so I'll take that because you already know how difficult this job usually is, but super easy this time. I put PB Blast on there, and I guess that's what did it. But yeah, now it's just to install the test pipes and give you guys the new sound clips. Okay guys, so the new test pipes are all installed. Now we just have to put the intake back on and then start this thing up to see how it sounds. I'm actually super excited because it's like, reminds me of how my car used to be. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go for the first startup. Let's see how it sounds. Hell yeah, brother. Sounds sick. That shit sounds sick. Hell yeah. You wanna...
Yeah, it's just loud. That's crazy. It sounds so good.
I know.
It's just loud as fuck.
Oh, it sounds so good, bro. Hell yeah, brother. It's chef's kiss, bro. It really is. This is how I would want my Z to sound. That's the perfect tone. It's perfect. Alright guys, so you guys heard a couple of the revving clips. Now she's gonna take the car and do some flybys so you guys can hear how it sounds outside of the car. This is gonna sound crazy too. Scary. You're a shrimp.